The phrase, Cela Viendra, is a French phrase that translates to, it will come, in English. It expresses the idea of patience and reassurance, implying that something desired or awaited will eventually happen or come to fruition. The phrase is often used as an optimistic or hopeful statement to encourage patience and trust in the natural course of events. It suggests that even if something is not happening immediately or as quickly as desired, there is an underlying belief that it will happen in due time. Cela Viendra can be applied to various situations in life where patience is required, such as waiting for success, resolution, or the fulfillment of a goal. It serves as a reminder to remain patient, have faith, and trust that circumstances will align and bring about the desired outcome eventually. It also carries a sense of inevitability, suggesting that certain things are bound to happen or unfold naturally. It encourages individuals to embrace the passage of time and have confidence that events will progress as they should. In summary, the phrase, Cela Viendra, signifies the belief and assurance that something anticipated or desired will occur in the future, urging patience and trust in the natural course of events. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.